If you've ever tried to use a VA loan to buy a home, or you've been an agent or seller on the other side, you've probably heard these words. Oh, we're not taking VA offers. Or maybe someone told you VA loans take forever to close, or they're harder on the seller. Here's the truth. Most of what people believe about VA loans is flat out wrong. And if you're a veteran or a seller getting offers from VA buyers, you could be walking away from a fantastic opportunity because of outdated myths. So in this video, I'm breaking down the biggest misconceptions about VA loans, and I'm going to show you exactly what's true and what's costing people thousands of dollars and tons of stress. Hey, I'm Payne, your military relocation professional, and on this channel we help people learn what it's really like living and buying homes in the Kansas City area. We work with a lot of military families, Leavenworth, Lansing, Baser, so VA loans are part of my daily world. But I still hear myths every week from other agents, lenders, and sellers that just aren't true anymore. So let's clear the air, because the truth can make you a smarter buyer or seller. Myth number one, VA loans take forever to close. This one's probably the most common and really the most outdated. The truth, VA loans close in about the same time frame as conventional loans today. The average VA loan closes in roughly 30 to 40 days, depending on the lender. The delay used to happen when appraisals were slower or when the process was all paper-based. But now, with modern systems and experienced VA lenders, it's just not an issue. The real difference is experience. If your agent and lender know the VA process, it's just as smooth as any other loan. Myth number two, VA loans are harder on sellers because of repairs. Here's the truth. VA appraisers don't have a magical checklist that terrifies sellers. They're just making sure the home meets minimum property requirements, things like safety, sanitation, and structural soundness. We're talking about the basics: no exposed wiring, working heat, sound roof, and no peeling paint on old homes with potential lead. In other words, if your home wouldn't pass a basic inspection for a conventional buyer, it's not the VA being picky, it's just protecting the veteran. And honestly, if you're a seller, that's a good thing. It means your home is move-in ready and more attractive to all buyers. Myth number three, VA buyers don't have skin in the game. As a military wife, this one drives me crazy. Yes, VA loans allow zero down payment, but that doesn't mean VA buyers aren't serious. They still pay earnest money, inspections, appraisal fees, closing costs, and more. Plus, the VA has some of the lowest default rates of any loan type in the country. So VA buyers are disciplined, qualified, and motivated. The myth that they're somehow less committed is not only false, it's disrespectful to people who've served. Myth number four, sellers have to pay all the closing costs. Nope, this is one of those myths that just won't die. The VA does limit certain fees that veterans can't be charged, but that doesn't mean the seller is automatically responsible. And the list of non-allowed fees has gotten even shorter in recent times. For example, veterans can now pay for termite inspections and even buyer's agent fees. And if there are non-allowable costs, they can be covered by the lender, a seller concession, or negotiated in the offer, just like any other transaction. A well-written VA offer doesn't cost the seller more, it's just structured differently. Myth number five, VA appraisals are tougher and kill deals. This one's half true, but mostly misunderstood. VA appraisals do have standards, but they're not out to kill deals. In fact, the VA gives appraisers flexibility and even a tidewater process, which allows agents to submit comps before the value is finalized. That means the VA appraisal process is actually more transparent than conventional loans, not more strict. So why do these myths keep floating around? Mostly because agents or sellers had a bad experience years ago or worked with someone who didn't understand VA loans. But in today's market, a well-qualified VA buyer can be just as competitive as anyone else. When you know the facts, you can make smarter decisions and help more veterans get the homes they deserve. If you're a veteran looking to buy in the Kansas City area, Leavenworth, Lansing, Basehor, Platte City, Overland Park, wherever, don't let these myths stop you. I've helped a lot of VA buyers make smooth, successful moves, and I'd love to help you do the same. If you're watching this but you're buying somewhere else, I can help you too. I have an amazing network of military-friendly agents at installations all over the country. Don't go into the home buying experience blind. Let me introduce you to the best. You can click the link in the description below to reach out to start your home search. Whether you're buying in 1 month or 1 year, let's start the conversation so you'll be ready to make a smooth transition. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for my next video in this VA loan series where I break down the closing costs and fees a veteran can expect. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.